Hey Sarge, it's high water 1. We got it gets deep right there.
Yep.
Well, we got movement.
Hey.
Hello there.
Hello.
Deputies with the sheriff's office. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
All right. Well, your family called and said they were worried about you.
Uh-huh.
And then if we can get a door, maybe the doormat to put down here to put the cat carriers on. Okay. Just like we're on the, what is it, the place in Spain or whatever.
The gondola?
Yeah, it's like a gondola. All right, here's the you take your 9-point turn and you can take on off with it. I counted 3.